So the martial arts scene in Bali is definitely growing, and with that there are more places opening up. We are here at Pound for Pound Dojo, a brand new dojo with a boxing area, a jiu-jitsu area for gi and no gi, weights area as well. It's got everything that you could possibly need. It's here in the heart of Umalas, which is on the way between Canggu and Seminyak. So we've decided to come and check it out for a Friday no gi session. We are ready to be impressed. This place already looks pretty cool from the outside. I'm excited to check out what the inside looks like as well. Come with us and let's explore. Sign the waiver. Ready?
Yes. Excited actually.
This is cool, right?
Yeah, really cool.
Hi, hello.
B, nice to meet you.
Ryan.
B,
E, nice to
nice to
meet you.
meet you.
Hi.
B,
Rayhan.
nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So class is just about to start, and I just find out every Friday is 10 minutes round, so we're gonna get 6 rounds of 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be really exciting.
This is good. This is what I'm all about.
Yes.
One down, 9 to go.
Ready to go!
So when you're traveling and training like we do, whether that's jiu-jitsu, lifting, or just traveling with an active lifestyle, things can go wrong. And if you don't have insurance when they do, it can get really expensive. That's why we've used Safety Wing for over 3 years now. It's perfect for people like us, but it's been made for anyone who wants to travel and be safe. Would you believe they even cover electronics theft? So if any of my stuff gets stolen, we're still not out of pocket. And if something does happen, the claims process is super simple, taking you less than 10 minutes to do, and you'll get reimbursed within 5 to 7 days. You can even get into the craziness of driving a scooter in Southeast Asia. Best part for us is that you also have the option to add on action and non-professional sports, such as jiu-jitsu, so we can get into all of our craziness and still stay covered. Basically, Safety Wing lets me live this life without overthinking the risks and stressing out. Link will be in the description to join below.
My name is Rayhan Algadri. I'm a black belt under Shanji Hibero. We do from gi to no gi to sparring competition class and beginners class specific. We pretty much got it all. What makes this gym special actually is the sense of community, how everyone knows each other, and all of my partners, they all train and they're all my longtime students already, pretty much every day here. So you can't miss that family sense and the community sense. It's just always there, you know? And thank you for having us as a host for you guys. So always welcome.
My name is Jenny and I'm training this gym. This gym is special for me because since you arrive, you feel like it's your family. It's everyone friendly, it's everyone supportive. I like that all of us have a very high goal to compete, to support each other. How was our class? It's already dry, but it's always wet, as you can see. And everyone worked hard, especially this girl who filmed now. She broke my lips today. I like that we can be very aggressive to each other as a competitive mindset, but still we try to kill each other, but only during the match. And then it's love, support, and friends.
Hi, my name is Simone. I'm one of the owners of this gym. I also train Jiu-Jitsu. What we offer here, we offer BJJ classes, both gi and no gi. We'll be launching our kids program soon, and we have boxing classes, strength and conditioning, and we'll slowly start to introduce more classes and activities for our members. I think what really makes it special, we were just a bunch of friends who really love boxing and jiu-jitsu that came together, and through our love for the sport and what the sport has given us, we built something all together, you know, and we all didn't really know what we were doing. We didn't really have any experience with this, but through that love came this, and then now we're building our community, and it's really intimate, you know, really welcoming. Even though we have some really tough people here, we also have new beginners, and that's what I really love about this place. I want people to feel when they come here that no matter what level you are, no matter where you come from, you're so welcome. Like, we're more than happy to have you.
Yeah, my name is Bryce. I'm 15 years old. I've been training jiu-jitsu in Pound for Pound Bali for about 5 to 4 months. I absolutely love it. I think learning the grappling game is so interesting. So there's always a constant threat, solution, problem, and that what keeps me really training, because it's so interesting. You always learn something new every day. Pound for Pound, guys, welcome here.
All right, let's do a tour of the gym stuff. So we've got dumbbells up to 25, 1, 2, 3 heavier bags, speed bag, which every time we have one, I've got to do it because that's the rule. Full-size Muay Thai ring. Obviously, we were here earlier, so they've made a brilliant use of the space. Really good use of the space. Fans here, big old speakers to get going. We're just starting out with the medals here. Plenty enough weights, not loads of weights, but enough weights because we've just got a good squat rack, 3 bars. This is basically everything that you could need. So you could spend the day here, get your S&C in, double session up if you want to, or just come one day, do your weights and your strength and conditioning, another day do your jiu-jitsu. All the pads, medicine balls again, kettlebells, skipping ropes of course, because it's boxing, bands, the tunes, really important. This is a proper good use of space because you've got a cable attachment that you can rig up to any height, which means that it goes in the squat rack. So this is it's basically like a really efficient home gym setup, so it doesn't take up a lot of space because you've got classes going on most of the day with boxing, grappling, etc. Yeah, I'm a fan of this place. If we were closer, again, we'd be members. Oh yeah. Hickson. Tough session.
It actually wasn't as tiring as I thought it was gonna be, but it was good. Like, I really
It wasn't as
enjoyed.
tiring.
No.
Well, I sweated a lot. I lost 3 kilos in sweat. I did it on the scale in the front.
No, I
But
thought it was great. I
good
loved
session,
it.
great vibe, really good people.
Yeah,
So-
the gym is beautiful as well. It's like amazing. I love it.
What's cool is if you're like us 2 years ago, you no longer have to travel from sort of Kuta, Seminyak area all the way to Canggu every day to get a
Yeah.
good jiu-jitsu, to go to a fight gym, because here, pound for pound, they have a really good facility. We're impressed with the vibes, great times. We'll be back here. If you want to check it out, out. We'll put all the details in the
Description below.
If you plan on coming here, let us know in the comments below. Or if you're watching, say hi. We love to interact with everyone that comments on our videos and follow us along. If you want to follow us along, make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell to get all of our videos.
Thank you so much for watching it, and I guess I see you in the next one.